Look at him climbing up. Ooh, one of them is yelling at the other one. Oh my God. Get out of my tree. Ooh. Holy shit. Koala fight. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit. Are we possessed? Why does this happen to us all the time? I mean... You're making little faces at us.
And that little creep just came down another tree, came all the way over here and started fighting and pissed off.
Hey, look over here. Thank you. Got it. What's he gonna do? We're going to another tree. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Wait a minute. Is this the little shit stirrer here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This one is this the same one that started the fight?
No, this is the other one.
This one that was up there. Now he wants to start a fight. Oh.
No, I'm just saying, I said, are we going to see the koalas?
Look at this other one. Movement. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, look at how he's slaying. Oh. Uh-oh, here we go again. Oh.
Probably closing.
So we good feet and a scratch.
I can't believe this.